In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the embroidery text effect with Adobe Firefly. We'll move from a blank page to a stitched, fabric-like text look using Adobe's Text Effects tool, and I'll walk you through each click so you can follow along easily. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Adobe Firefly. You're looking for the official Adobe Firefly site in the results. Click through to open it. On the Firefly homepage, find and click the Generate button. This takes you into the creative workspace where you can choose what you want to make. Next, select images to access the visual creation tools, and then choose Text Effects. This is where the magic happens. The Text Effects tool lets you generate letters filled with realistic materials and styles, and it's perfect for simulating embroidery. Enter the word or phrase you want to stylize. Keep your text concise for the most convincing stitch detail. Short words often produce cleaner, more defined results. If you already have a preferred font, pick something bold and legible. Thicker letter forms showcase thread texture better than thin scripts. Now click Effects to open the style controls and then click Generate Text Effects to bring up the prompt area. Here's where you describe exactly how you want the embroidery to look. In the prompt box, write something like, create realistic embroidery text effects with detailed stitching, thread texture, and fabric depth. Make the text look like it is sewn onto cloth with visible fibers, soft shadows, and natural thread shine. Use a clean, high-quality embroidery style. This prompt emphasizes stitching detail, fabric realism, and clean finish, which helps Firefly deliver a convincing textile result. When your prompt is ready, click Generate. Firefly will produce variations based on your text and description. Review the results carefully. Look for crisp stitch lines, consistent thread direction, and subtle shading that suggests the text sits on top of the fabric. If the stitches look flat or the thread appears too shiny, adjust wording in your prompt. Terms like subtle shine, tight stitches, or matte thread can influence the outcome while keeping the same workflow. If you want a more rugged look, include cues about thicker thread or visible fibers. For a refined style, emphasize neat stitching and even tension. Feel free to regenerate until you get a version that matches your vision. And remember, keeping the text short, the font bold, and the prompt precise typically yields the sharpest embroidery effect.